What's up, y'all? Got me a pumpkin pie Dairy Queen Blizzard. I want to dive into this and give you a little review. It actually tastes like real pumpkin, but it's got some of the crust. The crust is a little graham crackery for my flavor. Now I know I'm going against the rules. I don't really care for graham cracker crust. I don't like the crispness and the crumbliness of it. I like a traditional pie crust that normally you have on actual pumpkin pies. They don't normally have like a graham cracker crust. I'm not a graham cracker crust kind of guy. If I'm gonna have graham cracker, I'm gonna have it on my s'mores, not on my pumpkin pie. It's got a very creamy head. Got the whipped cream with little pumpkin sprinkles. It's a beautiful blizzard. The consistency is a lot creamier than your normal blizzard. The flavor's not bad, but I don't know. I can't really decide if I like this or if I don't like this. What do you guys think? Answer in the comment.
I got strawberry, Daddy.
Nice. Is it good?
Yeah.
Good. Message in the comments. Have you had a pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen?
No.
I know you haven't, but if you have, tell me what you think. What was your experience? What were your details? I kind of wished I would have just gotten my norm. I'm a go to the Oreo Blizzard kind of guy. I think the Oreo Blizzard is a fan favorite. I love Oreos. I like Blizzards. Blend the two together, it's awesome. This pumpkin pie, it just leaves a little something to be desired. When you get down a little deeper, it's just like ice cream. There's no surprise in there. I guess the graham cracker or whatever, the crust or whatever that's in there, is supposed to be like the surprise, but again, I don't care for graham crackers, so if I get in there and I get that, I'm like, hi, I've just found something semi-disappointing. I don't know. I so wanted to like it. I so wanted to like it, guys. What? Why is it not that great? What am I gonna do?
What gonna do?
What am I gonna do?
The pink bucket get and Rory's next.
You heard him. I don't know what he said. Maybe you do. I don't know. While we're on this topic of ice cream, how many of you out there cough after eating ice cream? What is that? There's some weird anomaly. Every time I eat something cold, especially ice cream, it's like it freezes the back of my throat and I cough for whatever reason. You guys do that? You guys do that?
No.
You guys don't?
No.
It's just me.
Daddy.
Well, I'm sorry. I really wanted to like this. And I guess it was good to try one time, so I can say I've done it.
What's these, Daddy?
But I'll never buy it again. Sorry, Dairy Queen. I love my Dairy Queen. Awesome, cool treats, the original. I'm a fan of food. I'm sorry.
My daddy.